Forbes magazine has twice called Canary Canada's favorite artisan candle company, and brand leader Sephora loves them. Their cheekily named hand-poured, amazing-smelling candles have been featured in Oscar and Grammy swag bags. With a manufacturing facility in Winnipeg, the company sells their candles online, in their flagship retail space at the Forks, and wholesale to 80 Manitoba retailers and more than 250 total across North America. Canary's vision is to supply customers with the highest quality product and impeccable service, and to continue building their reputation to become the leading Canadian candle company. Launched in a kitchen with just $20 in 2014, this LGBTQ and ally-friendly company has made huge strides, putting themselves at the top of the Canadian candle game while keeping their authentic small business mentality.